ever had a really nice piece of wood, but you got a seasoning check in it, and you really don't want to lose it? Something like this. Here's a slick, easy way to repair this. Right here is where my check is. Check's fancy word for crack. And I took a black ink pen and I traced out the grain that's going from the crack onto the end. I drew a little triangle on here just for an alignment point. The other thing I want you to notice is right here my crack is actually on an angle. What we're going to do is we're going to take a bandsaw and saw this, glue it back together, and we're probably going to have to do it 2 or 3 times, but by doing that we're going to get almost invisible repair. If I just split this or sawed it out, I'd be losing that much of my piece of wood because of the angle it's on. This is an easy way to repair it. Let's go bandsaw and see what happens. Okay, I've got my table on my bandsaw angled to match the angle that's on the crack. And we're simply going to saw it too. Okay guys, what I'm simply going to do is just take some regular wood glue, glue it back together a little bit. This is not going to be the final glue, so I'm just going to get a little bit down through here, enough to hold it together in order to saw it again. Now, after this game is I got to saw it enough times every time I bandsaw it, this gap closes. I can tell you now it's going to take at least 2 more times. As soon as this sets up enough, we'll resaw it again, glue it, just enough to hold it together, then we'll do it again. And the last time we do it, we're going to be tracking, we got to stay right on our line. And when we're done, we will have as close to an invisible repair as you'll ever get. Okay guys, it's all done. It actually took me 4 cuts to get it, but just by carefully tracking the same cut each time, just keep taking a little bit out, we got it. I finally glued it. I glued it up, let it dry. And once sanded, I pretty much got a glue line that goes away. I've actually scraped the backside a little bit more, and sound solid hole, and that glue line will be very, very difficult to detect.